Hi, welcome to the Improved Garage YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button. So today I have an unboxing, something I'm pretty excited about because I've never experienced one of these before. So I've been dabbling a little bit in the audio stuff. I got the Emotiva equipment here that I've been playing with in the garage. I got the Shit Stack, SCHIIT, it's brand name. The DAC, the EQ, and the headphone amplifier. I did a previous review on that, or a previous video on that, so please go back and watch that if you haven't. And you know, I played with audio for a long time. You know, I worked at a car stereo shop for a while. I've had a lot of home audio, different systems. You know, I have this little system. I have surround sound in our bedroom, our living room. I've had a lot of systems over the years, a lot of different companies. Polk and Onkyo and Denon and Harman Kardon, and I've got an Integra in there right now, and EV speakers and a QSC amp, and like all kinds of different stuff over the years that I've played with. I like playing with new things and trying different things out, and I've never kind of been married to an audio system. I've just always tried new things. One of the things I never really messed with though were the audiophile headphones. So I have a set of Audio-Technica ATH M50Xs, which are considered to be a pretty good closed back headphone. Closed back meaning like as I'm listening to them, the people around me can't hear what I'm listening to, and it generally keeps me, it keeps the sound that's around me out. I have a lot of different, you know, earbuds and stuff like that, and I've had a lot of other headphones over the years. I've Beat Studios and some other things, but I've never really gotten into the open back headphones, the ones that would be considered like an audiophile style headphone. And that's what I've got in this box. So I placed an order from Drop, or Massdrop, drop.com is the website. And Drop is a company that works with manufacturers to produce unique variations of products that they already create. So, you know, Sennheiser makes headphones. This is a Massdrop edition of a Sennheiser headphone that is already well known as a great headphone. So pretty excited to try them out. They've got great reviews, a couple 100,000 of them sold, and you know, they seem really cool looking at their website and the reviews that I've read online. So I figured I'd pick a set up and try them out. These are about 200 bucks, and I ordered them. It's been about a week since I ordered them. They shipped out of New Jersey. I'm in California. They arrived via UPS. Were delivered today. And so these are the Massdrop HD6XX reference class headphones. Sennheiser makes the original headphones, and this is a Massdrop variation. So it says on the top that they have a 2-year warranty, and this is what the box looks like. It came packed well. Kind of had this bubble wrap taking up the extra space. It's a single wall, like a standard Uline box, nothing crazy. So there's no nothing sealing the box, just this tab. So we'll open this up, and there we go. Just get enough to. It's a tight box. All right, so I'll set this here. Turn the camera down so you can see. I have to find a home for the Emotiva stuff because it's taking up my whole workbench. So here is the Sennheiser box. It's got a hinge on the bottom. That's pretty cool. So it looks like we're going to open it up this way, and that's what's inside. All right, so we have the Massdrop instruction manual. HD6XX reference class headphones. Don't really know what kind of instructions there should be on a pair of headphones, because you just kind of plug them in, they work. And here they are. So they have like this velour for the ear pads. These ear pads are removable and replaceable. There are a couple companies that make different aftermarket pads, so I might try some of those out at some point. You know, they have a fair amount of adjustability on both sides. They're marked as HD6XX, and there's a Massdrop logo on the inside here, serial number as well. The headphone cable is a removable, it's a standard 1/8 inch or 3.5 millimeter. They give you an adapter to convert to 1/4 inch, which is great because that's what like the headphone amplifier uses, that's what this Emotiva amp uses. Most higher end equipment uses a 1/4 inch connection. These cables are removable, so I believe you just pull on the bottom and they come out like that. So they are removable, replaceable cables, so you know, if your cable gets frayed or ruined or whatever, your dog eats it, you can replace it. So you know, something like this is designed to be able to be used for a number of years. So they are a little on the smaller side. My Audio Technicas, I normally bring out 2 clicks. I'm about 4 out on these. Yeah, so there they are. So they are what's known as an open back headphone. So this outside is mesh, and you can see kind of the back side of the speaker. And that is, it doesn't block a lot of sound from what's going on around you. Like I put these on, I can still hear that gardener that always seems to be out there weed whacking every single time I'm recording a video, no matter what day I'm doing it. I can still hear him just as plainly with these on as I can with these off. So that's something to understand about open back headphones, is that they don't block the sound that's around you. Also, when I'm listening to music, people around me will be able to hear what I'm listening to. So these are designed for a great listening experience in a room where you're kind of the only person in there, or it doesn't matter if there's things going on around you, rather than to be something that kind of secludes you from the people around you, or secludes them from the music that you're listening to. So these are kind of audio quality at all costs, rather than you know, something that's designed to be a personal listening experience. But yeah, I mean, my first impressions are they're pretty sweet. I like the box, the packaging, it's all nice. You can tell that, you know, they care about the people that receive the package, because it looks good. It looks like a $200 pair of headphones should arrive. It's a nice case. So, you know, one thing that I would say would be nice would be if there was like a hard case or a bag or something like that that the headphones could be in for traveling. There obviously isn't one. I know there are a lot of companies that make them as an aftermarket, so I'll take a look into those. And then, you know, I might try out some of the different, they have different ear pads. Those ear pads are removable. So they have like, there's a, I'll have to look in the owner's manual on how to do them, because I've never done it. But the pads are removable, and there's a company that makes a bunch of aftermarket ones. Actually, Massdrop has a bunch of aftermarket ones made of different materials. So I might try a couple different pads and see how they sound. From what I understand, they affect the seal of them around your ears, and that makes it adjust the sound accordingly. So I figured I would try these ones first, because they are the ones that Massdrop said should come with the headphones, see how they work. And then if I want something that increases bass or whatever, then I'll try to find ones that are supposed to do that and try them out. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. Please subscribe.